Hey everybody, Chris Kennedy with Reliant Lending, and Happy New Year. And I wanted to give you 6 quick tips on how to keep your credit strong here in 2023. We're gonna start with the obvious one, and that is paying late. So anytime you pay late on a credit card, car payment, anything like that, it significantly hits your credit. I had one the other day where it dropped somebody's credit a full 100 points, and it was ugly. We went from a conventional loan at a 720 down to an FHA loan at a 620. The next one is applying for credit too frequently. So the nice thing about mortgages is you can shop around and you have up to 45 days to run as many times as credit as you want while you're shopping around for a home, and it doesn't affect your credit score. However, if you do run your credit for, let's say, a car loan, credit cards, things like that, it will affect your credit score in a big way. Number 3, and that is maxing out your credit card. So you have a $10,000 balance and you have $9,500 on there, your credit score is gonna seriously go down. How can you fix that? All you have to do is pay your credit card down to below a 30% credit card utilization. So get that thing, a $10,000 credit card, get it down below $3,000. Also, making the minimum payments. Making the minimum payments is kind of the worst thing you can do. So even if your minimum payment is 50 bucks, make a $100 payment, make a $75 payment. Anytime you do that, it adds to the credit score and it actually strengthens your credit over time. And finally, quit saying yes to those retail cards. You go into Target and they offer you 10 bucks off for a $50 purchase if you apply for that credit card right now. Don't do it. There is too many things that can go wrong, and you just have too much credit out there. So just say no to those in-store credit cards. Anyway, if you have any questions about building your credit, please reach out to me, 916-799-3256. And if you need help getting a home this year and their credit is a little weak, I have ways to get that fixed. Talk to you soon. Bye.